Shipping a car to North Macedonia? Whether you're relocating, selling, or returning home, here's exactly how to get your vehicle there quickly, legally, and safely. You'll choose between 3 international shipping methods: roll-on/roll-off, container shipping, or air freight. RoRo is budget-friendly and used for operable vehicles. Container shipping offers better protection, and air freight is fastest but most expensive. Shipping a car to Macedonia typically costs between $1,000 and $2,500, depending on vehicle size, origin, and shipping method. Transit time is usually 3 to 6 weeks. Clean your car inside and out, take photos for insurance, and secure or remove all personal items. Fuel tanks should be no more than 1/4 full. Disconnect the battery if using container transport. You'll need your original vehicle title, government-issued ID, and a bill of sale or commercial invoice. Some shipments may require a power of attorney form if someone else is handling it for you. Macedonia allows vehicle imports but restricts the age of cars. Most vehicles must be under 10 years old and must have a catalytic converter. Expect to pay customs duties and VAT based on the car's value. Once your vehicle arrives, it goes through customs clearance. Work with a local agent to handle import taxes and documentation. After clearance, you'll need to register the car locally before driving it. And that's how to ship a car to North Macedonia the right way. Choose the method that fits your budget, prep your vehicle properly, and handle paperwork ahead of time. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more shipping guides. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, wherever your wheels take you.